Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to be talking about skincare. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup, and I'm thinking about doing a video on this guy over here. This is the RoC Pro-Sublime Anti-Age Eye Perfecting System. So this is an eye cream and I'm really excited about this one because I did hear that it works. So what I had in mind is taking a photo or a short little video every week, and I'm going to be using this for at least 6 or 7 weeks, and then we're going to compare the results and see if it works or not. As you can probably tell, I do have some fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes, especially in this area over here, but I do have one wrinkle over here as well, so yeah, I don't like that. And this is the area where we first get our wrinkles, so I want to prevent them as much as I can. So yeah, without further ado, continue watching the video and we're going to see the results. Okay, so this is what the 2 steps look like, and I'm first going to apply step 1. And you have to be sure to be very gentle on this area. The first step looks like this. It's very gel-like, it's grayish in color. Okay, so I'm going to smile now so that you can see how my skin creases. Okay, now it's time for the step 2, and yeah, let's test it out. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit more than a week since I started using the RoC eye cream, and my progress has been amazing. I'm really amazed by it. I'm just going to smile now so that you can see the difference. And I'm going to keep using it for the next 6 weeks and we're going to see. Okay guys, so it's week 3 and I forgot to do one check-in. So this is my progress now. I'm going to smile. I'm really thrilled with the progress and I do recommend this eye cream right away. So yeah, I'm still going to do more check-ins. Just checking in with my progress. This is week 4. So this is what my under eyes look like. And these are the creases. Okay, so this is week 5 and I'm really happy with the progress. I'm going to smile now so that you can see. And I'm soon going to give you my final thoughts. Okay guys, so it's been about 6 weeks since I started using this eye cream, and I must say I'm blown away by it. It's the best eye cream I've ever used, and I've been using this one before, the RoC one. This is the Clarins Eye Contour Balm, and I'm always on the hunt for a good eye cream. So yeah, this one did nothing for me. This one was really bad, so I didn't even use it up before I bought the RoC eye cream. So yeah, when I got this, I had high hopes for it and I wasn't disappointed because I did meet some people that used this before and they were all very excited about the results. So I noticed in the day-to-day use, when I apply this eye cream, my eye area instantly becomes much brighter, much smoother, much nicer, and yeah, I have
nothing bad to say about this eye cream. It's just like I applied some makeup even though I didn't. Yeah, there is one bad thing. You cannot apply makeup straight after applying this guy over here because it will crumble a little bit, if you know what I mean. So you have to let it sit for a while and then maybe apply some makeup. So that's the only downside of this. So yeah, after watching all of these, all of those check-in videos, I've noticed that I cannot see a big difference, but I definitely see big difference using this cream. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!